Say Afia Schwarzenegger wagine ni so Afia Schwa agine ni so esan say ye nyina ye nim ye Maame Akosua serwaa eba eye Charlyn na ekoba say akora na nkasa atene e de etia ne maame no abusua after say enra akora ne ba bonten ebeka saye e kire say sabe wontimi enyina ba bibia enyi ne nso no enwa bonten emfa hahan enhyem eno nam so ama kese asem na ahye Afia Schwarzenegger pa me no kese yi no enne Afia Schwarzenegger so asi Charlyn so pa enya sem ketwa na kase wan kasa wo maame wa yiyi amane papa kopim se Afia Schwa kasa ya kodu ba bi o se wo na wo papa wu ameme fa ho bai Afia Schwa so on the media no so ensabi ba ye nyina wo ka ena me wo fa LUMBA ti asenso ye hu se wo bo Afia Schwa din se ne wo fa hasana no enso LUMBA wu ye de Afia Schwa agesi na battery so ena me wo fa ena de ageta ama Afia Schwa na nkasa afere watene e de tia Charlyn na Charlyn yi Afia Schwa protecting the pay Afia Schwa kan ho sempa pen akwa ne switch kakra no Afia Schwa so aswitch e de hia akra no na abusua ansa ne behwe Afia Schwa video no yini kai enkoti baba Jamal na wonim se baba Jamal ensem ne ba ye nyina no na opene no ne law firm e na chese e defend odo BRONII a ho se mebiri no e ko bai se baba Jamal e ta chiri e na sebe omode ne firm no e hunu ya Maame Akosua serwaa e na lawyers na bi mu kra chese allegedly e na baba Jamal no chese o twantro bi mu chese wo forge enkrata bi e de ma odo BRONII e ho se mebiri e bai ene baba Jamal ewramu eko grant interview na watwa bi e de amane legal wives no abusua wo ye legal wife a bomoden na yenko negotie ensema baba Jamal e de amamu na eno nam so e ma ene team legal wives omo betwitwa ebi e de amane npa yenko ti baba Jamal emra.
The law firm was involved in the legal battles of LUMBA. Where are we on that?
I even saw women on TikTok. The team legal wife. Please, let me tell team legal wife. Even though it's my law firm, but I was not a lawyer on the case. Okay. I never went to even one court. Okay. I don't have anything against Akosua serwaa or in favor of BRONII. What I am doing was, my law firm was providing legal services to the family. And that's what we did. Unfortunately, if it didn't go in favor of them, they should not, people are coming that, Papa Jamal, that I am the one who was against Akosua serwaa. Where do I know Akosua serwaa? I've never met her. I don't even know her apart from the pictures. And then others are saying that, no, they will come after me because I made them lose. I say, what is this? You have your lawyer. We also have our lawyers. Our lawyers went and dealt with the matter. So why do you want to come after an individual? Lawyers, we say what our clients tell us. We don't have any say in what we just advise our clients. But if they say this is what they want, we go for it. So those who are on TikTok, team legal wife, please, let's understand the legal process. A law firm only asks for a client. After that, we have nothing to do with it. We don't have an opinion. We can only advise. A non-legal firm has an opinion on a matter. When you bring the matter to him, he looks at the matter, assess it, and advise you accordingly. Wow. That's where our job stands. And then if we need to go to court, we'll go and represent you. But to come and say that, oh, that individual is the one, no. It's like leaving the prey. Or, for example, you go for hunting. This is the prey or what you want to shoot. And then you leave it and be targeting something, the snail or something, you know. You are leaving your target. They should be talking to the family. They should be talking to BRONII. That's where the issue is. But not the law firm. Law firm, we don't have anything to do with.
Okay, so.
It's Baba Jamal nsem no ena wonya bia wuti ye no na abusua. Enye easy. Enna nwumri se ukọ TikTok no so akabon say yes o mo atwa mbone papa now yemfi we so na de yenko the substantial news na nkasa eye Afia Schwa se na meka na Afia Schwa ba bontia beke kana adwene e de ache LUMBA ba Charlyn ye Maame Akosua serwaa ne ba no abeke kana adwene e de ache na yenko wuramu na yentie ensem a Afia Schwa e beke kae.
I am not part of it, and you should look deep into my eyes and see this as a warning. I am not somebody you can mess with. You are the same age as my children, and they dare not mess with me. Be very careful. Be very careful. And the tonation of my message should tell you that I have listened to counsel. Last number. Won't send a letter, my lawyer, man in court. Now me play victim. The lawyer will not go to court on his own. One said, don't force me to release the full conversation with your lawyer. The lawyer will not go to the court on his own. Stop it with me. Stop. I'm a mad woman. Stop it. Stop it. You cried, you begged, you insisted. You cried, you begged, you insisted. Lawyer Fokwa, you don't know the lawyer from Adam. Lawyer Fokwa didn't get up to go to court on his own because we are golden child when it was so. Don't. If you want to play intelligent with your damn mother and his people, it's okay. Don't be, hey! Don't! So what bother my name is so? Asheme 70 can't hear what my so because will be a me and on Asheme because me man come again bar. I don't feel okay because you can't beg human beings to do stuff for you and you turn and behave as if somebody forced you to do it. Nobody forced you to go and sign affidavit in the country that you are for somebody. Nobody did that. You did it on your own accord. You claim you were a legal student. You did it on your own accord. No. Then what kind of a lawyer are you? What kind of a lawyer are you learning to be? Because me boom penny phobia and makasa. And no they me ya. And no and they me ya. Then can I watch panya? Messin and Kamati and Kamati Tanga. Kamba would the entire Bolega Tanga so. I contacted my lawyer. I didn't share no pana for fasting the spirit of seman and yedumano. I thank God. I've been saying this the whole morning. I thank God. Said lawyer Fafa and yedumano. Lawyer Fafa woke up and called me and said, if you are my spirit, me bomb pay away, my spirit is seman and yedumano. I thank God. Nanka muliki chat no and ka send me my first sister na catcher no. That's all my. I thank God that I just eliminated myself from that discussion and connect and communicate my mini relationship was say, and she's my God. I'm telling you. And now my friend, I'm saying, Fafa, I thank God. I don't know what spoke to you. That you told me you will not do this case, and I felt so betrayed. Everything is making sense now. And can you run a new relationship on ending? Because we'll be leaky with chats. Then come in for what I said for my bonnet. You cannot send, listen to me. You can't send me. You didn't send me. You've not sent me. You can't. You don't have the balls to. Because me chapa yeno. Me wumyenu. Me wosum yenu wo me fie. I want to make a someone say go omachi. Oh, we are BRONII, but when you be before me, oh, we are brofoma. Oh, what can I say? Oh, we are Jamal former. German neighbor. You can't send me. And thank God for everybody that I respect that have called me and have chosen to listen. Just thank God for it. Thank God. And Kabe will saw Papa your phone and offer us no your phone channel. went within the 9 years, I could court on your behalf. If you don't sign a letter for that lawyer, Afia didn't go to court on his own accord. You begged him. You cried. You begged him. Fuck off. I hate people who are two faces. You cried and begged him. You cried and cried and cried and cried and cried and cried and cried. I hate people who are two faces. Lawyer Afia didn't share into a sorry and no court. What the fuck? When you begged the lawyer and you made your lawyer write a letter from your country to this lawyer to go and tell the court that your mother was lying, did I? I didn't go and tell your mother was lying. I don't know the discussion you had. You were the one that went to a lawyer, wrote a letter to the lawyer that you should go to court to say your mother is lying and you don't know anything about it. That makes your mother a criminal. If you're a legal student, then use your head. I didn't do that. Didn't call you either. Haven't spoken to you either. I haven't spoken to because it's not easy to call me. Not anybody can pick a phone and call me. It doesn't work like that. No, it doesn't. But when you were matching a lawyer that you employed and paid to go to courts, that you did not, your mother did not sought your consent to put your name in the document, then you have made your mother a criminal. I did not make your mother a criminal. I did not ask Lawyer Kusi to commit a crime. I'm just looking at what the laws are saying as a journalist of the country. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Do you understand? I'm not the one that said they forged your signature. You were the one that was crying. You cried your eyes out. Can you deny that too? Can you deny that too? That you cried your eyes out? That your mother is embarrassing you? That the things that your mother is doing, no man will marry you? You cried your eyes out. You did. You did. I did. I don't know you. I don't. For the love of God, all I did was to interview the lawyer from the court, like any journalist would do. Be an honest human being for once. Stop playing both sides. Stop it. You were the one that called, crying that the things your mother is doing is adding stigma to your name. I don't know your number. I didn't call you. You can't send me. Stop saying I didn't send Afia Schwarzenegger. Are you mad? Can you send me? Huh? You are like my third child. Can you send me? Do I look like the people you send? Do I look like the grown-ups that you send? Do you think anybody can send me? Yes, money I'm coming to Kuma. Fucking I love your father so much. I don't know you. Stop it! Don't push me. Don't push me. Because anybody can beg me, they can't stop me. There's a huge difference between that. Since yesterday, they have been begging me, not stopping me. They can beg me, they can't stop me. The audacity and the impudence, what bother more? Oh, Papa, never know she should be on. Franco! And then you feel scabby there. What bother? Oh, Share. Lawyer didn't let her win on the court. Don't
Inti ensem no ena wonya bia wuti ye no Afia Schwa is she right se obeka ensem no e de afa Charlyn ho anase eye mistake se obe acte in that manner. For your channel, to comment section where Emma me. Meeting at the copy, and I'll be to my friend Kobe Finest. It's Abishia.